So I broke the band on my FitBit Versa 3 here, and I'm kind of glad I did, because I replaced it with this elastic band, and I like it a lot more than the standard band that comes with the FitBit Versa 3. It goes on easily. You just have two little latches on the watch itself to do, just push, and you're clipping it right on. It stays on well. I haven't had any issues with it. I've been running with it and stuff, jogging with it. This band, I've had it on for a couple of days. It doesn't really get wet with sweat as much as I thought a fabricy band would. But it has been kind of cold, so I'm not exactly sure how that's going to work out. But yeah, it's comfortable. I can put it the right amount of tightness where I'm not constantly having to adjust my watch whether or not it's too tight or too loose, and I'm not like losing my pulse reading because it's too loose or too tight. So I really like this. It's easy to adjust, and it's simple to take on and off. I just pull it on and off my wrist, stretch it and pull it on and off my wrist, so I don't have to like fiddle with the stock band to try to buckle it and all that fun stuff. So if you're looking for a new band, if you don't like the one that's on your watch and you broke it like mine I did, so yeah, it's a great replacement. I think you'll be as happy with it as I am. I got black here, but it comes in a variety of colors. Whatever works best for you. Black usually works for me, so I picked that. So you have a good, they're easy enough to change. You can buy a couple of different colors if you wanted to, and just swap them out with your outfits or whatever, which would be kind of cool. Black works for me, so I got black. So go ahead and hit that buy now button. I think you'll appreciate it as much as I did. And you have a great day. Take care.